everyone and welcome back to Stellar Vlogs. So today I will share with you my recipe on cheesy baked California pan sushi. So if you're already my subscriber, which if you're not, hit that subscribe button. So if you're already one of my subscribers, you already know that I posted a video on a plain baked California pan sushi, but today we will improve that recipe by adding cheese to it. Okay, let's begin. For this recipe, of course, if you watch my previous video, you would need crab stick and cucumber, mango puree, Japanese rice, of course. So, pag hindi niya alam lutuin yung Japanese rice, I will link my previous video below so that mapanood nyo on how to cook the Japanese rice. And then, you need Japanese mayo, hot sauce, rice seasoning, seaweed, ebico, of course. So, you need ebico. And then, cheese. So, ito lang yung cheese na meron ako now. But you can use any kind of cheese. Just make sure na hindi ganun kaalat yung cheese nyo. Kasi syempre, nakakaumay siya pagka masyado siyang maalat, diba? So, also, kailangan nyo ng foil tray, especially kung plano nyong ibenta. So, this is very convenient. Ang dami ko kasi na-receive na comment on my previous video on the costing. Pero, I'm sorry, but until now, wala pa rin akong costing. I will make a separate video on the costing. But my advice is for you to use a foil tray kung ibebenta nyo siya, so you don't have to move it. So, pag binake nyo siya dito, at least ito na rin yung ibibigay nyo sa client or sa customer nyo para hindi ka maraming hugasin, diba? Haggard yun. So, okay, let's do this. Okay, so, first step is to add your mango puree, then sa shredded crab stick. So, pag wala kayong chopper, i-shred nyo lang siya manually. Gamitin nyo yung fork or pwede nyo rin gamitin yung kamay mo. Pwede mong gamitin yung kamay mo kung kayo rin lang naman kakain na family, kanyan. Pero kapag ibebenta mo, so you have to be more clean. Mag-gloves ka na lang, ganyan. Ayan. So, i-mix mo lang siya. Masarap yung maraming mangga. Lalo na ngayon, season ng mangga kasi manamis-namis. Okay. So, i-mix mo lang siya. Ganyan. Wait lang ha. Okay. So, pag na-mix mo na siya, i-add mo na yung Japanese mayo. So, depende rin kung gaano kadami yung gusto mo. Always taste your food. Okay? So, pagka feeling nyo masyadong konti yung mayo, depende kasi to sa gusto nyo. Tsaka dun sa recipe na gagawin nyo. So, normally, I put like half a cup of Japanese mayo. Pero, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust. Tapos, ginagamit ko yung cupay kasi very light yung taste niya. Medyo hindi kasi ako fan ng mayo na, you know, yung mga normal na mayo. Kasi masyadong strong yung lasa nila. So, yun. So, haluin mo lang siya. Okay. Next, foil tray. So, again, pag hindi mo alam lutuin yung rice, or pag wala kayong Japanese rice, just use regular rice. So, this is about a cup of rice. Okay. Ayun. And then, ang tawag dito, flatten nyo lang siya. Siksikin nyo siya ganyan. And then add your rice seasoning. Tapos, add nyo na yung seaweed. And then, add your favorite hot sauce. So, ayoko siyang ilagay sa taas kasi ayokong masira yung itsura nung ang tawag dito, nung ating crab stick mixture later. So depende kung gaano karami yung gusto nyo. Oh, sorry. And then now, we add the cheese. So, ayoko siyang ilagay, of course, ayoko siyang ilagay sa ibabaw. So, ilalagay ko siya dito, sa gitna. So, hati-hatiin nyo lang siya. So, make sure na meron sa lahat ng side. So, pwede na yan. Kasi magme-melt din naman siya. And now, you add your mixture. So, pwede nyong i-add yung mixture on top of your mixture later. Pero now, i-add ko na siya. My golly. So, just add it in there. Okay. Tapos, i-mix nyo siya ulit. Ayan. And then, put your mixture in there. So, lagay mo na lahat. Ooh, that's way too much. Okay. So, now, it's ready to go in the oven. So, okay lang yan na medyo, ang tawag doon? Mukhang matubig siya kasi later pag na-bake siya naman, magdidikit-dikit siya. So, put it in the oven. So, you need to preheat your oven to 250 degrees Celsius. And then, turn it down to 180. Bake it for like 20 minutes. I'll see you later. Okay, so there you have it. Tapos na mag-bake yung ating cheesy baked California pan sushi. So, kanina nakalimutan kong sabihin na yung cheese nyo, pwede nyo rin siya actually i-add sa mixture na mismo kung gusto nyo ma-distribute siya evenly. So, let's just try it. So, we have our seaweed right here. So, dalawa yung aking gagamitin. Then, ooh, that's hot. Sorry, it just came from the oven and it's really hot. Okay. Alright. So now, Try this. Oh. I could not wait. So, masyado siya mainit. I'm sorry. But it's really good. So, as expected, sobrang sarap niya. If your regular baked California pan sushi is good, this is as good as that if you're a fan of cheese. So, thank you so much again, guys, for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.